Oh yeah, that's a lot there. That's just packed. See if I can pop that out.
Yeah, I was checking to do it because I think I would have a flood, but what
You would, yeah. I'll have to vacuum it out.
When I try to run it, like it doesn't.
Okay.
And if I do it too much, it shoots up the vent.
It'll shoot up the vent. Okay, yeah, okay. With that movement. Fair enough. I'll just have to take it apart and just see.
Yeah.
A bit more water. It's fitting lovely. I'm getting a nice seal, but I'm almost getting too much of a seal. It's almost too tight of a seal. Tidiest way to do it. It's not the prettiest, but there's a rubber gasket in here. So that should be fresh still. That's clear. That's clear. Okay, this is going to be tedious.
Yeah, see, because it's the way that thing is built. How do you not go up instead of down, right?
I nearly cut it. Because I can still mess around with it. If I cut it here horizontally, I can still put a glue. I can glue it back on with a coupling. As they have a coupling here. Oh yeah, that's a lot there. That's just packed. Yeah, that's just absolutely packed in there, man. The full diameter of the pipe is just full. funny. That's hilarious. Who installed the faucet?
Probably the same guys.
Oh, okay. Nothing. It wasn't us, no? Okay, good. As long as it's not us.
Was it bad?
No, I just loosened it with my hand. I just hope it's not. Instead of reassembling everything like the drains, I just took the faucet. I took the hot side off the faucet, and I'm going to run that down the drain. I keep a supply line, a faucet supply line in the bag, so I'm gonna connect that, and I'm just gonna run it down the drain. Very, very hot. Good. Good. Hear that? Hear it? Listen.
Yeah.
No, that's a good thing. Yeah, the only thing you can do is hot water. With this stuff. Forgive me. You don't need to use that. And you just need to blast it down. Yes, it's not good for the water bill, but it just has to be done, alright? But some people get kind of cranky, you know? No leaks from the trap. Glue joint is fine, dishwasher connection or carburetor connection is fine.
Do I need to run this thing at all? Or
You can try.